Okay, welcome back with another discussion guide. Today I'm going to tell how you can download, how you can use Football Manager 2025. Okay, let's discuss here something. Okay, I think let's see. Specify zone website. I recommend my audience and whoever used to ask me a question, they need any guidelines or something new, I just recommend them to follow up the website and get the fully solution at all on that desk. Okay, how you can use Football Manager 2025 game, which is the latest and latest more released game. Let's see when it released first of all. Football Manager 2025 has been cancelled by Sport Interactive and Sega due to development challenges and failure to meet quality standard. With the team shifting focus to okay, the game was set to feature major unit. Okay, that has been cancelled. First, how you will know? So okay, we will move on another guide. How you can download and how you can use Football Manager 2026. Let's see, someone had already mentioned uh, and some videos are available. You can watch them as well. But just is a just simple discuss guidelines. I managed it for you. So what you will have in this one, watching in FM 2025. FM stand for Football Manager. New match engine, rebuild animation system with smoother player movement and more realistic physics. So first, let's see how another people is following and trying to discuss something to us. Who is there? Okay, and player personality. Players have a visible personality trait, ambitious, loyal, driving, staff relationship, FM 2025 touch, players personality. Let's see the image. Please file one. How to use file manager. Complete guideline for beginners. Get started. Build your squad. Manage tactics. Handle matches. Develop your club. Win. First of all, this is just a simple discussion guidelines. Okay, we will move further to discuss and how to download, how to use 2026, which will be released soon. Let's search here 2026 game. Okay, when will it release? Okay, it was released worldwide already on 26 September 2025 for Microsoft Windows, PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, Xbox, and Xbox Series. Okay, let's see. English reviews mostly negative, recent reviews mixed. Okay, this is something out now. Play today. You can download and play this game also. I think this website has not been started or have not been published any reviews about 2026 guide. No problem. You can write for us also here. You can see write for us. And you can mention your topics as well and discuss to us directly. Here you can see the topic and guest post topics as well. We have received something about monthly visitors, software listed already, response time and backlink tab you will get to follow. Okay, we move from our topic to another topic, so I think we will meet on another video. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.